Hello everyone, back again on the Tekno Jenius channel. In this video, I will tell you how to create simple AI vlog content like this.
I can't believe I'm finally here in Paris. Look at this view, it's even more beautiful in real life. If you love travel content like this, make sure to follow.
Content like this is very useful for those of you who want to create a social media account with AI characters or AI influencers. So how do you do it? Let's just do it straight away. But before continuing, don't forget to click subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss other interesting videos from Tekno Jenius. Okay, the first step of course is to open ChatGPT as a mandatory tool that is needed. Here we will create a prompt. I ordered ChatGPT like this. Please give me a prompt to generate an image using my photo. I want the story to be about me vlogging in front of the Eiffel Tower. Please make it as detailed as possible and make sure the results are realistic. So next I will just use Flow. So open Flow and create a new project. Upload the reference model first. Next we add it to the prompt. For the settings here I use Banana Pro with portrait mode. After that, we copy and paste the prompt from ChatGPT, then click Generate. Okay, here are the results, friends. Next, we create a prompt for the video in ChatGPT chat. Here I command ChatGPT like this. Create a prompt for me to generate a video in JSON format. Add an interesting narration in English. Next, let's copy and paste this JSON prompt in Flow, friends. Here I will try this image first. Click Generate and wait for the results. Okay, the results are here, friends. Let's try to see first.
Hey guys, I can't believe I'm finally here in Paris. Look at this view, it's even more beautiful in real life. Make sure to follow and join my journey. Hey guys, I can't believe I'm finally here in Paris.
In my opinion, the results are quite good.
Look at this view, it's even more
the
beautiful
faces are
in real
also
life.
quite consistent.
Make sure to follow and
but there
join
is a
my
fatal
journey.
error, friends,
hey guys,
where we see that there are two Eiffel
here in
Towers. Of course, this doesn't make sense. So here I will ask ChatGPT to fix the error. Fix the second scene, because there are two Eiffel Towers and that doesn't make sense. Now let's try again. This time I will try using the second image. Let's wait for the results, friends. And boom!
Hey guys! I can't believe I'm finally here in Paris. Look at this view, it's even more beautiful in real life. If you love travel content like this, make sure to follow.
The error has been corrected. The results are also quite good. So, you can try this method according to your imagination. You can make a vlog on the Statue of Liberty or whatever. Okay, that's all for our video this time. Hopefully, this video is useful. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next video.